MT4 MT5 trading tools. Lessons under MT4 MT5 trading tools. Downloading, installing and setting MT4 MT5 app on your smartphone. Opening a demo account on MetaTrader 4. How to log in your live account on MT4 app. How to log in your derived live account on MT5 app. How to change your candlestick color to green and red. Adding currency pairs to your MT5. How to add indicators to your charts. Other functions on MT4. Different MT4 timeframes. Trading orders. How to add objects on MT4. Downloading, installing and setting up MT4 MT5 app on your smartphone. Welcome back. In this video, I will be explaining to you how to set up your MT4 account. How to set up your MT4 application. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the MT4 app. But before that, you have to go to Play Store. You search for MetaTrader 4 on your Play Store. Then you download it. After downloading it, you click on open, or you can search for it on your phone. Then when you see it, you have to click on the MetaTrader 4 app. You tap on it. Then it will take you to the MT4 app dashboard. How to open a demo account on MetaTrader 4 app. How to open a demo account on your MT4 app. So the first thing you have to do, you have to tap on the three horizontal lines above at that corner. Then you click on manage accounts. You will see a plus icon above. You have to click on the plus icon. Then you click on open a demo account. So for now, let's use Light Forex as an example. So you click on Light Forex demo. After clicking on it, you have to save it with your name or any name. Let me use Idowu Oluwaseyi. That's my name. So you have to type in your phone number, then your email. You have to put in your email also. Let's just use ABCDEF. You can use any email. Then here you will see the account type. You see the leverage. You can change your leverage if you want. You can change it to 1:500. The deposit, you can change it to any amount. Don't forget, this is a demo account. You click on the deposit, then you click on create account. So now your demo account is ready. So you can see it here. This is your demo account is ready. You tap on it, so you can see it here. On default, you will see Euro USD on your chart. So now we've successfully created our demo account. How to log in your live account on MT4 app. I will explain to you how to log in your live account. All you just need to do is to tap on the three horizontal line, then you click on manage account. Then you have to click on this plus icon above. Then when you get to this point, you will see open a demo account. You are not to make use of that. Then below it, you will see log into an existing account. So after creating your broker account, after logging in to your broker account, then after opening a trading account in your broker account, you have to copy the details and the password. You have to copy it. You can write it down in a sheet of paper, or you save it on any of your online notepad. Then you come to this page. You click on login to an existing account. Let us click that now. You can see below it, use your login/password to connect to the broker of your choice. So you tap on that. So here you can choose any broker. You can search your broker. For example, if your broker is Hot Forex, HF Market. If your broker is HF Market, you search it there. You can see we have live server. You click on live server and you put in your login details, your login and your password. If your broker is FXTM, you search FXTM. Then if it's ECN account, you click on ECN account. You put in your login detail and password. So any broker you trade with, you just have to come here and put in your login details. If it's IC Market, you search IC Market. Then you look for IC Market. You will see demo and live. Don't forget, this is your live account. Check the details and description they sent to you on your mail or on your broker account. Then you click on any of the one they open for you. If it's live 0.1, you click on live 0.1, you put in your login and your password, then you click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, automatically it will take you back to this page where you will see, instead of demo, you will see live account. Thank you. How to log in your Derive live account on MT5 app. How to log in your Derive live account, which is your synthetic indices account or your financial account. And also, I will explain to you how to open your demo account on MetaTrader 5, which is this app. So the first thing you have to do, you have to click on this plus sign. Then you will see Find Broker. You have to click on it and search Derive Limited. You click on Derive Limited. Then you have to type in your synthetic indices account or your financial account. You have to type it here. You type in your login ID and your password. Don't forget, you go to your derive.com site, you copy your synthetic ID and your password. You come here and put it here, right? This MT5 is just an app, while the normal site derive.com is where your synthetic MT5 ID is. You go there, copy your ID and the password. You come and paste it here. Most importantly, don't forget this server, you can see it's Derive demo. You have to change it to Derive server. The Derive server is for the live account, while Derive demo is for demo accounts. And don't forget, that's your live account. You have to change this to Derive server. After doing that, you click on login. That's all. So assuming your ID is 123456, then your password is go 1234. Then you click on login. That's all. Right? Don't forget, you click on the plus sign, you search Derive Limited, you click on it. Then if it's your live account, you put in your login ID and your password, and you change the Derive demo to Derive server because this is your live account. Then you click on login. That's all. How to change your candlestick color to green and red. The next thing we have to do is to set up our trading chart. Is to make sure our chart is ready for trading. So now we are going to set our candlestick to green and red. You can see it here. We have white and black, but we need to set it to green and red. So what you have to do is to click on the horizontal lines above. You tap on it. Then you go to settings. Here you will scroll down, look for colors. You will see colors, click on the colors. Then here you will see the scheme is black and white, the background is white, the foreground color is black. Here what you have to change is to, number one, change the grid to white, plain white. Then leave the volume at green, change the bar up to green. Then change the bar down to red. Then change the book color to green, then beer color to red. So that's all. After doing this, you have to click on done. Click on done. So now, can you see? We now have our candlestick in green and red color. Adding currency pairs to your MetaTrader 4 chart. So the next thing is to show you how to add different currency pairs to your chart. The first thing you have to do, you have to click on the 3 horizontal lines. Then you click on quotes. On this quotes page, you will see different pairs here. And you can see the color of the numbers are changing, the prices are changing because millions of people are trading all over the world. Already we have all these pairs added. For you to remove or to add, you have to tap on the pencil sign. Then you click on delete for you to delete all. We only have Euro USD here now. So for you to now add more pairs, for example, if you want to trade more than Euro USD, you want to trade other pairs like GBP USD and the likes. For you to now add them, you have to click on the plus icon. You will see Forex Major, you will see Forex Crosses, you will see Forex Minor and the likes. You will also see oil, you will also see cryptocurrency. So let us add Forex Majors. So we have Euro USD. All you just need to do is to tap on all the currency pair you want to add. You tap on all the currency pairs. So you can see, if you want to add crosses, tap on them. Just keep on tapping, keep on tapping. So that's that. If you want to add minor, you can also tap. So if you want to add, let's say you want to add oil, you can tap on it. Then we also have cryptocurrency. We have Bitcoin against United States dollar. We have Dash Coin against United States dollar and the likes. So you just tap on all the cryptocurrency. Just tap on all the cryptocurrency you want to add. We also have Ripple USD. You tap on them all. So that's that. Then you click on back. So here you will see all the cryptocurrencies and the currency pairs we added. You can see them. We all have them here. We have Bitcoin also, we have Ripple, we have Litecoin, we have Euro USD, we have AUD USD, we have GBP USD and the likes. Below you will see different icons. You will see the one that looks like a candle, you will see the one that is pointing up, the arrow that is pointing up. You will see a small box here, you will see like a newspaper icon and the likes. So you have to click on the one that looks like a candlestick. So when you tap that, it will take you back to your chart. Above we have different icons. We have the plus icon, we have the F icon, we have the dollar sign icon, we have the clock icon, and we have other icon. So the plus icon, the use of this plus icon is to know the points on your chart. You can see it now, to know the points of the price, or to use it to point a candlestick or anything. The F icon is indicator setting page. I will get to that. The dollar icon, when you click on that, it will show you the list of all those currency pairs and cryptocurrency and oil you added. So here you can, this is a shortcut. Here you can just click on AUD USD. It will bring AUD USD up. You can decide to choose Euro Rand. It will bring Euro Rand up. So you can use it to choose any pair you want. You can use it to choose card chef. It will bring card chef. So that's a shortcut to add currency pairs to your chart. So the clock is used for changing time frame. We have 1 minute. You can click on that. You can see 1 minute. We have 5 minutes. We have 15 minutes. So you can use the time to change, to maneuver from one time to another. You can click 1 day. Each candlestick is 1 day. So while the last one is for order placing, for you to place order, either buy or sell, or you want to place market execution, or buy limits or sell limits, or buy stop or sell stop. So this part is for that. So now, how to add indicators to your chart. In this next one, I will be explaining to you how to add indicators to your chart. So the first thing you have to do, you can see the F icon above. You can decide to use the F icon to access the indicator page, or you just tap on your screen, then you will see F icon here. So you can decide to use the one above, or you use this F icon in this round shape. So let's click on the F icon in the round shape. You click on the F icon, it will take you to this page. So the first thing, let us delete all the indicators. You click on the F icon. Then here you will see different indicators we have. We have trending indicators. So these are the list. Average directional moment index. We have Bollinger Band. We have envelope. We have Ishimoku and the likes. We have moving average, parabolic SAR, and others. We also have oscillators. We have average true range, bear power, bulls power, commodity channel index, force index, MACD, momentum, and the likes. We also have volume indicators. We have money flow index, we have unbalanced volume, we have volumes, we have also Bill Williams. So you can decide to choose any. For example, let's start with like moving average. So for example, if you want to add this moving average, you can change it to any parameter you want, or any period you want. You can decide to change it to 100. Then the shift, you can change it also. The method, you can change it to exponential. You can change the color to any color you like, let's say blue. Then you click on done. So if you check the chart now, you can see we have a blue line on the chart. So you can also add more indicators. You can add Bollinger Band. So here you click on done, you can see the green, that's Bollinger Band. You can add more. You can click on the second icon, the F icon above, to add. So you can decide to add MACD. You click on done, you can see the MACD below. So that part, we use it to add indicators to our charts. Other functions on MT4. Also, I need to explain this part. The code part is where you will see all your currency pairs, while the chart is where your chart is, where you monitor your trade. You monitor the charts to analyze and do any other thing. The trade, that is where you will see your balance, your equity, your frequent margin, and your rolling trades. Right? For example, if you place a buy if you are in a buy, that is where you will see your trade running. So history, this is where you see the history of your trades, your buy, your sell, and the likes. Account monitor, you can use this part to monitor your account. Then we have mailbox. If you have any message from your broker, a notification, a message, this is where you will see it. News, this is where you will see news, different news. Any calendar news, this is where you will see your news. Economic calendar, it will take you to the economic calendar page so you can download that. Messages, you will also see message here. Trader community, you can log into your MT5 to see. Then we have the settings, we have journal, the history of you connecting and logging out and the likes. This is where you will see it. About MT5, you will see it here. So that's that. Different MT4 time frames. So also, these are the different time frames we have. You can see M1 this is different time frame. Each candlestick is 1 minute. If you change it to M5, each candlestick is 5 minutes. It will take 5 minutes for this candlestick to open here and close. So after 5 minutes, it will stop and another one will now start again. So each candlestick is 5 minutes. 1, 2 is 10 minutes plus 5, 15 minutes plus another 5, 20 minutes. So each candlestick is 5 minutes. If you change it to 15, each candlestick is 15 minutes. Each 15, this plus this, 30 plus this, 45 plus this, 60 and the likes. If you change it to 30, just like that, each candlestick is 30 minutes. If I decide to move it to MN, which is 1 month, each candlestick is 1 month. This is 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, and the likes. So that's that. So now, trading orders. To place a trade in the market, this is how to do it. Tap on it. For example, now if you want to place a buy on CardShare, you will see market execution, meaning you want to place that buy and you want your broker to open that trade now. You want to place the buy now, so you click on the buy. So order is open. So you can see you have a running trade already. If you want to open more trade, you can open more than one trade. Just keep on opening the trades, right? So that's that. If you want to close your trade, you just drag, you tap on the first icon, then you click on close trade. So that means you want to close your trade. So you just drag it out. Can you see? You drag it from your right to left. You drag it out like this. Then you tap on the first icon. Then you click on close. So you can see it here. We have SL. That's where you will see your stop loss, the swap, your broker charge, the taxes they charge, the commission they charge, and this particular trade ID you see there. Each trade you take on your MT5 or MT4 app, each trade has its own ID. So the ID of this particular trade is this. You can see the one above, the ID is different from the one below. So each trade you take will always has its own trade ID. So if you want to edit, want to modify your trade, you can click on the pencil sign, which is the middle one. You tap on it. Here you can set your stop loss here. Then you can set your TP by the left. After setting it, you click on what? You can click on modify below. So that's that. So let us close this. Let's just close this. So that's that. So now, also here, we have different orders. We have buy limit, we have sell limit, we have buy stop, we have sell stop. This is how buy stop work. For example, let me go to 1 minute chart. For example, let's start with buy limits. Assuming your prediction is that this market will get to this point, let me put a line here. We get to this low point, right? Assuming you predict that the market will come down to this level, then from this level it will move up, like this, something like this. Your prediction is that the market will come down, then from that down it will start going up. So you want to set your buy limits around this point here, which is that 0.74313. You just click on this, then you go to buy limit, you set it to 0.4313413. then you click on place. So you can see it here. So you can see we have our buy limits already set below, right? So if peradventure, if this market move down to this point, it will automatically open this buy limits. It will automatically open your trade. Don't forget, your prediction is that this market will come down to this level, then from there it will start going up, so your buy limits will be below. So sell limit is opposite. Assuming your prediction is that the market will move from this point, it will go up to this point before going down. It will move up to that point before going down. So you want to sell your sell limit at 0.74447. 0.74447. You set it 0.74447. Then you click on place. So if you look above, you will see we have a sell limit up there now. So if this market continues to go up and it gets up to this point, then the market starts coming down, it will automatically open this sell limit. And if the market continues to move down, you will be in good profits. So that's that for buy limit and sell limit. Let us delete this for now. So for buy stop, for example, if you predict that this market will continue going up from this point, then it will break this high and continue going up, and you don't want to enter at this market price because the market may continue to range before going up. You want to set your buy stop up here. All you just need to do is to set your buy stop at 0.74396. 0.74396. So you can see it here. We have our buy stop above. Can you see it now? So peradventure, if this market continues to move from that level and it gets to this point, your broker will automatically open this buy for you at this point. So opposite of this is sell limit. If your prediction is that the market will continue to move down and you want to set a sell stop below, peradventure, if this market continues to go down, it should open a sell for you there. So you have to set it 0.74. It's 0.74. 0.315. Okay, so you can see we've set our sell stop below. So if this market continues to move down, it will open this sell, then the market will continue to go down. So you see this buy stop, since the market is going up, it will open the buy stop anytime soon. I think it has opened the buy, so you can see there. You can see the market move from this point, and when it got to this buy, it automatically opened the buy. So I think you understand now. So that's how to set a buy stop and sell stop and other. How to add objects on MT4. The next thing we are going to learn in this video is how to make use of your charting tools. So we have different tools. We have trend line, we have channel, we have Fibonacci on this chart. So if you want to make use of the tools, you want to draw trend line, you want to draw anything on your chart, you want to draw a circle, a rectangle, this is where you will get all the tools. You have to tap on your screen, then you will see this icon that has circle, rectangle and triangle. Tap on the icon. Here you will see different charting tools. We have vertical line, we have horizontal line, we have trend line, we have trend by angle, we have circle lines, we have arrowed line. Under channel, we have different channels: equidistant channel, ST-Dev channel, we have regression channel and the like. Also we have gain line and the likes. We have Fibonacci, retracement, we have Fibonacci time zone, we have Fibonacci fan. We also have Elliott motive wave, we have Elliott corrective wave. We also have shapes. Right, you can see different shape here. So if you want to draw a rectangle or a square, that is the stuff you pick. For example, now if you want to draw a support level or a resistance level, you can use this to draw it. You just drag it to the level you want, then you move this then you drag it out, right? So if you want to add more, for example, you want to add like a circle, so this is how to do that. Let's say you want to draw a circle somewhere here, that's that. So if you want to draw any other thing, you want to draw a trend line, you just come here and click on trend line, then you drag it down, then you draw your trend line. So you can see you draw your trend line there. If you want to add more, you can add more. If you want to draw, let's say Fibonacci retracement, so you can see the tool, you can use it to draw your Fibonacci. So you can use it to draw your Fibonacci, then you see the levels there. For example, also if you want to draw, which other thing do we have here? Elliott's correction wave, we also have it there. Just use it to select those points you want to select and you draw it. We also have a lot of tools. We have vertical, horizontal. That is how to do that. So you can decide to close your trade now. You can close your trade, close all the buy stop and sell stop. So that's that for now. See you in the next class. Next course to watch is Advanced Forex Trading.